The Infinity Tools drill press sharpening station transforms virtually any drill press into a fast, accurate, and repeatable sharpening system. A sharp edge is defined as two polished surfaces meeting at an angle. And every woodworker knows sharp tools make better and safer work. But getting those tools sharp usually means buying another expensive machine that takes up valuable shop space and only does one job. What if the drill press you already own could become a precision sharpening station instead? For many woodworkers, sharpening is something they put off. Not because they don't know it's important, but because setting up a sharpening system can be expensive, complicated, and inconsistent. Freehand sharpening takes practice. Dedicated systems cost hundreds of dollars, and every square foot of shop space matters. Instead of investing in another standalone machine, you're simply adding new capability to one of the most useful tools already sitting in your shop. The result is professional quality sharpening without sacrificing valuable floor space or your budget. Setup couldn't be much easier. The system comes with an articulated stand and a mounting base that will easily attach to any non-metal drill press table. The base plate should be centered in front of the drill press mandrel and be located between 2 to 3 inches in front of the chuck. Use a self-centering drill bit to start pilot holes for the 4 threaded inserts, which are included in the kit. Drill stopped holes sized for the inserts, and then you can attach the base plate to your drill press table with the provided machine screws. When you're done sharpening, remove the base plate for normal drill press operations. It couldn't be more convenient. Apply one of the included pressure-sensitive adhesive sanding discs to the glass platen. The included tempered glass platen mounts to the supplied mandrel and installs directly into your drill press. The mandrel is reverse threaded so that it will not loosen up during use. Set your sharpening angle using the included precision setup blocks. Then position your tool against the sliding fence. The fully articulating platform lets you dial in consistent bevel angles, while the rotating platen quickly removes material with excellent control. Whether you're repairing a damaged edge or simply touching up a favorite chisel, every pass is smooth, predictable, and repeatable. The system is designed to sharpen far more than just bench chisels. It's equally at home sharpening plane irons, carving tools, turning tools, and many other edge tools around your shop. 3 precision angle blocks make setting common bevels incredibly fast. 20 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees. The tempered glass platen accepts PSA sandpaper that has a half-inch center hole on both sides, giving you more usable surface before changing abrasives. Included with the system are sanding discs ranging from aggressive 80 grit all the way to ultra-fine 1000 grit. That complete progression lets you go from chipped and neglected to razor sharp with one system. And with the drill press turned off, manually lap the back against a fine grit to remove the burr. And when it's time for fresh abrasives or an additional platen, replacement accessories are available separately. Sharp tools aren't just safer, they're more enjoyable to use. They leave cleaner cuts, require less effort, and help every project look its best. The Infinity Tools drill press sharpening station may be the smartest upgrade you can make to the tools you already own. Turn your drill press into the ultimate sharpening station and get back to building with confidence.